Hello everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we are going to be discussing how to reactivate Amazon Flex account. Now, before we dive into the video, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now donate to our channel. So if you feel like our channel is providing you guys value and solutions you are looking for, then it's finally the time you can support us. Alright, so talking about reactivating Amazon Flex account, there could be a variety of reasons that why your account got suspended. Maybe you had a gun while you were delivering a package. Maybe you just failed to deliver on time, or maybe just performing another job during your delivery, and anything could be possible. Now, the thing is how to reactivate it. Now, in order to reactivate it, you're obviously going to be making an appeal to official Amazon email. So you're going to be writing an appeal, a letter, um, and you're going to be submitting it to Amazon Flex support at the rate of amazon.com. They will provide details about the deactivation reasons and the next steps for you. And yeah, so do not lose your hope. Just simply write to them. Make sure to wait, be patient, be relaxed and calm. Of course, it's a moment to panic if you are just depending on the income generated by your account. But yeah, bad things happen. So yeah, the only thing is to simply be persistent and look forward for a better. Um, if you are just simply interested in some alternatives, we have GoShare, Point Pickup, Roadie, and Dispatch It and Stuart. So yeah, I hope this helped, and if it did so, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video using which you can now donate to our channel. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of tutorials.